Hello, Facebook. Hello, Facebook. Hello, YouTube, Instagram. Marcus here. It is Monday. It's in the mid 70s, not a cloud in the sky. It is beautiful. I'm going to go for a bike ride here in a few minutes and get out and enjoy the mountain there. It is Monday afternoon, and I'm outside because I am smoking wings. There are wings in here for tonight. Tonight is wing night at the restaurant. Buy one, get one. After 5 p.m. takeout special tonight. Buy one, get one. So I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what's in the smoker right now. So we've been smoking for a couple of hours. Here we go. Those are the wings for tonight's buy one, get one wings. They're dusted with a little bit of Cajun spice and slow smoked. There's the smoker box right there. So there we go. Wings for tonight. Buy one, get one. 647-3000. It's our takeout deal tonight. Buy one, get one wings. You can get them with barbecue sauce, our house-made organic barbecue sauce, or with traditional hot sauce. So that's the deal tonight. Hope everybody's having an amazing day. Hope you had an amazing weekend because it was just crazy warm out this weekend. Amazing. If you caught my video from the other day, my Facebook Live from the other day, we're actually switching out tents as early as this week and getting a new tent back here in the garden so we can now have a winter tent. Taller pole in the center, so it's more of a pitched roof. The snow will go off of it. Sides. The heaters will work in the tent, underneath the tent. So we'll be able to have sort of a semi-heated tent in the wintertime. We got the fire pit. So that's the good news. So thanks everybody for tuning in. If you're tuning in live, drop a comment, hashtag live. If it was on the replay, hashtag replay. And 647-3000, 5 o'clock tonight, we'll be able to do our takeout wings. Buy one, get one. That's today's special. All right, everybody have an amazing day, and we'll talk to you later.